This is Brian Thomas Beck, July 3rd.
Just got rolled.
We're here with the beautiful Patricia Cole and Maggie and Sahaley and Judy. And we're just waiting for some funny shit to happen. Good takedown. 2 points, Sahaley. We're playing the nibble game. So that's what your bark sounds like. You can bark! I didn't know. You're actually a dog. I can prove it now. Do you want to play with the girlfriend or the dog? Now you got to make a choice.
What are you doing? Haley, stay down. Keep polite.
Oh, gross.
Look at her.
I watched her for 15 minutes yesterday like an idiot. Nice! Haley's totally winning this fight. Judy needs some discipline. I like it.
On the weekends when she gets really filthy, we'll take her to the Hart Senate Building fountain.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good idea.
And let her run around in it. She gives herself a bath. Hi.
That's a great idea.
And the security people do not mind.
Judy,
They don't
Judy.
care. One day they even turned on the fountain for us. Really? Like this fountain wasn't on, the water was just still. And so Haley was just kind of like pawing at the water. And the security guard came up and like turned it on for us.
That is an awesome idea. Man, I never thought of that.
So yeah, so far they haven't cared. Right now it's empty. This weekend it's empty, and I think they're cleaning it or repairing it or something. So.
It's behind the Hart, not the Russell.
The Hart, yeah.
The Hart, okay.
And I'm worried that.
That's the one closer to First Street, right?
Once they clean it, they're going to be a little more finicky about letting the dogs in. But we'll see what happens. So far they haven't really cared.
Yeah, we live right over. Well, I live right over there.
Serious rule.
Yeah, it's gross. This is a new phase in the game. They're just sort of jostling.
Yeah, she's smart.
Oh, there's a pretty. That's handsome Dan. Sniff the new dog.
No, just don't clip the leash part. Don't take his leash part off. It's too much work.
That's jumping. I don't know why I'm filming this anymore. Three-way sniff-a-thon.
Everybody's got to exchange business cards again.
What's that?
Everybody's got to exchange business cards.
It's all about who you know. Stanton Park doggy scene. Okay, I think we got enough footage here.
The minute you turn it off.
Yeah, I know. I can't turn it off. You are cute. Look at you.
Not even dirty yet. Hi, yes, I love you too.
What's his name?
Oh, you are gross.
Murray.
Murray. That's a good name. How old's Murray?
He's one.
Oh, okay.
He's not being very cute today, so.
Oh, take down.
Don't be too nice to him.
Okay. He's awfully handsome. Oh! Yeah, actually, is that we?
She's a lab pit.
Oh, is she?
Yeah. We think.
Maybe.
She has it coming, trust me. She needs it. It's good. I like when she gets corrected and disciplined. Get her, Sahaley, get her! Double team her. Take her down. Get her, Murray, get her!
Power dog soon.
Very athletic bundle.
Well, David will say if I take the dog.
This is ridiculous.
One dog and one star life.
Yeah.
Judy's getting her ass kicked today. That's riding her.
Judy.
They're over those.
Were you here the other day when that Shandy, you know that dog that was rescued by that couple just moved into the neighborhood?
I don't
Looks like a white Brillo pad with 4 legs.
No, I have not seen that one.
She came every time she would come up to Judy, she would grab her by the neck and slam her to the ground. She did it like 20 straight times,
Oh.
back to back to back to back. It was so funny.
There was somebody. This guy came in with a white shepherd, a white German shepherd, and that thing was beautiful, and he wasn't quite full grown. So powerful. Totally knew his own power too. Not one of those puppies who just don't realize they can knock everybody over. He'd come up to Haley and just be like, boop, and she'd go flying.
This is the exercise he needs. Take that board. I'm going to eat the tennis.
I'm not doing as much running as I thought
No,
that they would be doing.
Or he pulls the shoelaces undone and then she's
Oh, awesome. Why do I waste money on shampoo? Seriously, why?
Oh my
I might as well just use it on myself.
Look at her.
So Haley's just giving it to her, man.
Yeah.
Oh, this one was way better. It's totally taking out the other dog. That's why.
Oh my gosh, she's killing her.
Get her, Haley. I'll be first.
She's already won.
We got a metro
No jumping.
We got this dog in a metro pack. Hope you don't mind.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Does the Haley jump too?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, she just jumped on me
Did she
a
jump?
while ago. Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Murray. Oh, you guys are all gross.
She looks like a leopard seal
You guys are all gross.
with spots on her head. She's gonna wind up in a can of tuna.
To fight like this, his job is just to sink his teeth in and not let go.
Judy's like, I don't want the stick, but you can't have it, so I'm gonna let you get it. You gonna try some fetching? Give him a run?
Fallen branch yet. I accidentally kicked it slightly and all the leaves shivered and made a noise.
She's gonna go poo. Yes! Poo poo.